welcome to the Miss Lulu show. I'm rocking T Diamond accessories and I'm rocking a top by my very own cousin, Tabo Kamazura. I'm here at the Davido and Friends concert in Birmingham. It's about to go down and I will be covering every single moment of the Davido show. So you guys stay tuned, okay? Bye.
I remember when them girls know they come around. I remember when I had no money in my bank account. I remember when the street know they show me love, but now then they love me. Mami Moody's and SEO, I'm a kilo call me.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Miss Lulu show once again. I'm here with C Carbs, Cecilia Kopera, Miss Zimbabwe UK, CEO of Ifuse Magazine, and we are here at Davido. I'm here with Corian, is that right? Corin Sky. Walk one with Corian Sky today. All these titles and I'm so jealous of you at such a young age. What's going on?
Well, thank you for having me here. I've been looking forward to being here. Like, this is amazing, so thank you. I'm enjoying the show today and I'm looking forward to seeing Davido.
I'm just here for the event, Davido. I'm so excited.
Did you go to the London one?
No, I didn't. I just come for the Birmingham one.
Good, because we're going to have more fun in Birmingham.
I feel like we're going to have more fun. D-boys know how to throw a party.
Of course, and we're here and the opening acts are on stage and we're waiting for Davido. So what song are you looking forward to hearing?
Fans Me, that's a personal song because it's relatable, you know. The words are very relatable and the whole story is relatable. So I like that song, so I'm looking forward to hearing it tonight.
I don't know. You see, I like Madame Iduro.
I love Aye, you know, Aye.
So yeah, that's my favorite.
Okay. Well, congratulations on winning the Miss Zimbabwe UK title just 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
You've traveled to Zimbabwe as well. You've done so many interviews. I mean, you've got so much on your plate. When does C Cups take a break? Is there ever a break?
Well, she's not going to rest anytime soon because yesterday she was in London, today she's in Birmingham. So there's more coming your way. So just keep your eyes on the lookout and keep following me on Instagram at C-Cups and at Ifuse Magazine.
Yeah, well, whatever he performs, I'm sure it's going to be magical and it's going to be great. And we're going to scale it. Well, at least you've got it on lock. I'm still trying to learn the dance myself. Well, at least you've been practicing.
Davido will see me and I'll be like...
Well, thank you so much for stopping by to talk to Miss Lulu. I hope you have fun. Do you have anything coming up that people should look out for?
I have my app launching soon, the Corian Sky app, which is connected to my fashion blog, so just look out for that. It's going to be out in the next week.
Okay, brilliant. Well, people watch out for that. Corian Sky's app is coming out. Watch out for me. I'm still on YouTube. I will be back. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.